Hey guys, welcome back to the next episode of Autowerks Diaries. As you can see, I'm standing here with a beautiful Ferrari F8 Spyder. So what are we doing? Well, we're going to install these Novitec lowering springs, Novitec's power optimized exhaust. So this is the stainless steel version. So as you can see, no rear silencer, just an X-pipe. So we really hope that we're going to unlock the V8 B-turbo sound with this. And of course, the springs are really going to help us get a perfect stance with these aftermarket wheels. So stay tuned as we install these upgrades and show you the final result. Thanks. Okay guys, so we're back with the F8 Spyder project and we finished installing the Novitec race exhaust. As I mentioned earlier, we canceled the valve, so this is just an X-pipe. Really looking forward to seeing how this sounds. Also some weight savings. We're gonna put that in the comments, how much weight this system compares to the stock exhaust. And as you can see, we've also finished installing the Novitec lowering springs. We're aiming for about 20mm lowering for the aftermarket wheels, which will give it the perfect stance. So stay tuned when we're just gonna pop on the bumper, give you a sound check on what the exhaust sounds like. Okay guys, so that's a wrap on the project Ferrari F8 Spyder. As you can see, the car looks so much better now that it's lowered. Thanks to the Novitec lowering springs, we brought the ride height down 25mm or so. Really good fitment with the 21 and 22-inch setup. You have to lower it. Novitec X-pipe race version exhaust installed. Beautiful sound, much higher pitch versus the stock exhaust. So that makes it such a enjoyable drive with the top down. So I really recommend this setup. Just an exhaust, springs make such a big difference. So let's take a moment to enjoy how beautiful this car is. Thanks for watching guys, and stay tuned for our next episode.